The universe is mostly silent, a vast expanse where the only messages are carried by light and the faintest of signals. For eons, humanity has gazed upward, searching for meaning in the darkness, hoping for a sign that we are not alone. It speaks to us in light, not words, its language written in the glow of distant suns and the subtle flicker of cosmic phenomena. Every sunrise and every star-studded night is a page in the universe's ongoing story. For centuries, we've built better tools to listen, translating cosmic whispers into the story of the cosmos. From Galileo's first telescope to today's massive radio dishes, our instruments have grown ever more sensitive, revealing secrets once thought unreachable. But one Tuesday, a new message arrived, not from the stars but from a hidden corner of the internet. It was a digital echo, a ripple that would soon become a tidal wave, a leak, raw, unprocessed images stamped with NASA's most advanced sky mapping project. These weren't just ordinary photos, they were glimpses into the unknown, snapshots that bypassed official channels and protocols. They showed something that wasn't supposed to be there, something that defied our models of the universe. The images hinted at a structure or perhaps an event that no one could explain. This wasn't a blurry UFO photo, it was different. The clarity was undeniable, the data precise, and the implications staggering. The data came from the 3I Atlas project, a name known only to a select few. This was a top-tier initiative, shrouded in secrecy, designed to map the universe in unprecedented detail. The leak was a serious breach, but the content was even more shocking. Security protocols were shattered, and the scientific community was thrown into chaos. Scientists worldwide scrambled to analyze the images, disbelief turning to consensus. The data was real. Forums buzzed, emails flew, and experts from every continent joined the investigation. The source of the leak remains a mystery. Whistleblower or spy, no one knows. The identity of the person who set this in motion is still hidden in the shadows. The effect was immediate, a puzzle that challenged our understanding of cosmic structures. Theories were questioned, textbooks reconsidered, and debates raged late into the night. The quiet hum of the universe was interrupted by a baffling note. It was as if the cosmos itself had sent a riddle, daring us to solve it. The story was no longer just about stars and galaxies, but about an anomaly, a question mark across the night sky. What had we missed? What was hiding in plain sight all along? The leak forced a private NASA conversation into the public square, democratizing a discovery. Suddenly everyone, from amateur astronomers to curious onlookers, was part of the unfolding mystery. Now, astronomers everywhere had to explain its staggering implications to a suddenly attentive world. The universe had spoken in a new way, and humanity was listening closer than ever before. What is the 3I Atlas project? At first glance it might sound like something out of a futuristic novel or a blockbuster movie, but the reality is even more fascinating. The name sounds like science fiction, but its mission is real. The 3I Atlas is a bold step forward in our quest to understand the universe, blending cutting-edge technology with human curiosity. 3I stands for Infrared Imaging Initiative, the most sophisticated heat camera ever pointed at the universe. This initiative pushes the boundaries of what we can see, capturing the faintest whispers of heat from distant objects. Infrared light, invisible to us, reveals the hidden universe behind cosmic dust. It lets us peer through the veils that block ordinary telescopes, exposing secrets that have been shrouded for eons. The 3I Atlas is a network of telescopes, both on Earth and in orbit, mapping the nearby universe in infrared. This global collaboration brings together observatories from around the world, as well as powerful satellites, to create a seamless view of the cosmos. It's like X-ray goggles for the cosmos, letting us see starbirth, faint brown dwarfs, and more. With this technology, astronomers can witness the drama of stellar nurseries and the quiet existence of objects too cool and dim for visible light. The project scans the sky repeatedly, tracking changes and building a dynamic, three-dimensional atlas. This ongoing survey means we're not just taking snapshots, we're watching the universe evolve in real time. This data helps us piece together the history and future of our cosmic neighborhood. By comparing observations over time, we can trace the life cycles of stars and galaxies, and even predict cosmic events before they unfold. When an image from 3I Atlas shows something unexpected, it carries immense weight. Every anomaly is scrutinized as it could signal a new discovery or a challenge to our understanding. The system is designed to filter out errors and interference. Only the most reliable, verified data makes it through, ensuring that what we see is truly out there in the universe. 3. Eye-Atlas is the gold standard for infrared astronomy, our frontline defense against cosmic surprises. It's the tool we trust to alert us to the unknown, and to confirm what we think we know. So when it reveals something inexplicable, we're facing a genuine mystery. The scientific community takes notice, knowing that such moments can redefine our place in the cosmos. The tool built to confirm our understanding has uncovered a profound exception. It's a reminder that the universe is still full of surprises, waiting to be discovered. The universe just handed us a puzzle we can't ignore. And with the 3-Eye Atlas, we're ready to explore the unknown, one discovery at a time. The leaked images don't scream alien or anomaly at first glance. They look like deep space, faint, reddish glows, galaxies and stars. But in a region near the constellation Indus, astronomers noticed something wrong. The cosmic microwave background appeared distorted, as if something was casting a complex, repeating shadow. The pattern was faint, but structured, undeniably there. Imagine a smooth beach at dawn, but with perfect geometric shapes drawn in the sand. That's what the 3-Eye Atlas images showed, a pattern where chaos should reign. This wasn't a single object, but a vast, organized structure spanning thousands of galaxies. It didn't emit its own light, but subtly altered the light passing through it, like a giant, semi-transparent screen billions of light-years away. The pattern persisted in multiple observations, weeks apart. This was no glitch. The universe was showing us something new, and far stranger than we'd imagined. What is this strange pattern? That's the billion-dollar question that has astronomers scratching their heads and rethinking what we know about the cosmos. The structure is so vast, so regular, and so precise that it doesn't fit any known natural phenomenon. It stretches across light-years, defying the randomness we expect from the universe. Gravity shapes the universe into messy, round forms, not grid-like patterns or straight lines. Stars and galaxies clump and swirl, but never arrange themselves with such order. The cosmological principle says the universe should look the same everywhere, with no special places or unique structures. It's a cornerstone of modern astronomy. This new discovery seems to violate that principle, hinting at something truly extraordinary lurking in the darkness. Scientists first searched for natural explanations: gravitational lensing, space-time ripples, cosmic dust clouds. None fit the evidence or matched the pattern's scale. Every theory fell short of explaining the regularity and scale. The more they looked, the more mysterious it became. That leaves a more unsettling possibility, one that challenges our understanding of the universe itself. The structure might not be natural, its symmetry and scale hint at something beyond the forces we know. Artificial is a loaded word in astronomy, conjuring images of alien megastructures and cosmic engineering. But when the data defies physics and every natural explanation fails, scientists are forced to consider the unthinkable. All options must be considered, no matter how improbable or unsettling they may seem. Could this be a sign of intelligence? A message or a monument left by a civilization far older and more advanced than ours? A vast engineering project by a civilization far beyond our own? It's wild speculation, but the evidence is hard to ignore. The data pushes us into territory once reserved for science fiction, where imagination and reality blur. The universe may be stranger and more crowded than we ever thought possible. And as we look deeper, we may find that we are not alone after all. The astronomical community's reaction was a mix of excitement and alarm. A discovery that challenges fundamental theories is a once-in-a-generation event. Scientists everywhere rushed to analyze the data and propose new theories. But the leak bypassed peer review, creating a frenzy of speculation and risk of misinformation. The implications are unsettling. If real, our understanding of cosmology is incomplete or wrong. It's like finding a puzzle piece that doesn't fit, forcing scientists to question everything. The foundation of modern cosmology has been shaken. The most profound alarm: what if the structure is artificial? Evidence of a technological civilization would be the most significant event in human history. The silence of the universe has always been comforting. This discovery may have just broken it. The world is watching, and the questions are bigger than ever. Under mounting pressure, NASA broke its silence with a sober press conference. They confirmed the image's authenticity and acknowledged the data breach. NASA's plan: dedicate more resources to 3-Eye Atlas, focusing on the anomaly with deeper, more detailed observations. They'll use a wider range of infrared wavelengths to map the structure in higher resolution. NASA will coordinate with international telescopes across the spectrum, visible, radio, X-ray, ultraviolet, to build a complete picture. Transparency is now a priority. NASA will share findings publicly as the investigation progresses. A dedicated website will publish new data and papers, guiding the public conversation with credible science. This discovery belongs to all of humanity, and the process will be as open as possible. The path forward is clear: gather more data, and then even more. The James Webb Space Telescope will be crucial, offering detailed spectroscopy to reveal the structure's composition. Radio astronomers will listen for signals, any hint of technology. Projects like SETI and the Square Kilometre Array will search for non-random signals from the anomaly. Theorists will push the boundaries of physics, seeking natural explanations no matter how exotic. This process will take years, with false starts and fierce debates. But this is science in action, slow, careful, and relentless in pursuit of truth. Every new observation adds a piece to the puzzle, and the world is watching to see what emerges. Whatever this anomaly is, its discovery has already changed us. It's a reminder of how little we know and how much more there is to learn. If it's a new natural phenomenon, it will revolutionize cosmology and open new avenues of research. If it's artificial, it marks the beginning of a new era for humanity. We are not alone. Our science, philosophies, and sense of self would be forever altered. For now, we stand at a crossroads, peering into the unknown. The 3-eye atlas images have opened a door, and we must step through with courage and curiosity. The human story is now linked to a strange pattern in a distant constellation, and we will never look at the night sky the same way again.